What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon MUA, and I am here to present you with some greatness. Alright, so as you can see, we got another Zodiac Series video on our hands, you guys. I'm trying to catch up. So, in case you guys are not aware, I currently have a series on my channel entitled the Zodiac Series, where I create a look based off of each of the 12 zodiacs in our Western zodiac system. And I'm currently behind. I've told you guys in the past that I've fallen behind because of personal reasons, so I'm in the process of catching up. I recently just did Capricorn like a week or so ago, so we're getting there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I know that it's just turned Aries season, so I have 2 more signs to catch up with, but we're getting somewhere. So in case you guys cannot tell already, this look is the look for Aquarius the Water Bearer. Now, for those of you who are not aware, Aquarius is a water bearer. However, Aquarius is an air sign. I don't make the zodiacs. Nah. So Aquarius is an air sign. Needless to say, I wanted to stay true to the actual water bearer theme. Very simplistic eye work, however, everything is focused more so up here on my beautiful canvas that you guys are very aware of by now. But yeah, this is my Aquarius look, and I'm actually high-key feeling it. So like, yeah. I am more than halfway done with this series now. So I'm excited to finish things up. I have a really great idea for the next sign, Pisces, that I can't wait to execute. So you guys should definitely stick around for this. This series is turning into something that is both challenging and exciting. So I'm loving it. All right, you guys, before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself and enjoying me and the content I'm creating, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up like and support. It means so much. Also, you guys, if you want to continue seeing my face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. We're working on 2 times a week. I'm doing actually decent this week, so we'll see how long that holds up. Also, you guys, we are currently, at the time of filming this, at 1,376 subscribers on YouTube. So if you guys can help me get to 14 by the end of March, that would be great. I appreciate that. I'm trying to push myself and get to some decent goals here. So tell your friends to subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. Also, you guys, make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Snapchat. Love to have you guys be a part of the Fireflies family. Also growing in numbers there. Almost at 4,000 followers on Twitter, so spread the love, spread the word, tell the children, teach the children, and we can grow in this together. That was a lot, and that was super extra, but I don't really care. All right, you guys, that is all of the details. So without further ado, we're going to get into the next video of my Zodiac series, Aquarius the Water Bearer. So let's go.